Now, let's see what is stress. As the COVID-19 pandemic and its far-reaching implications continue to unfold globally and in our community, it's normal for people to experience a wide range of thoughts, feelings, and reactions such as stress, anxiety, or fear. Stress is a feeling of emotional strain and pressure. People often use the word stress interchangeably with the anxiety, nervous, overwhelmed, panic, or stress out. Small amount of stress may be desirable, beneficial, and even healthy. Excessive amount of stress, however, may lead to bodily harm. As it's a common concern in today's fast-paced life. Is all stress inherently bad? No. There is two kinds of stress. Eustress or positive stress is any kind of challenging stimulus that stresses the individual, but with the result that they feel energized, motivated, or make some kind of beneficial action themselves. Distress or negative stress is a threat to the equality of life. It occurs when a demand vastly exceeds a person's capabilities. Now let's discuss about stressors. What is stressor? A stressor is any event, experience, or environmental stimulus that causes stress in an individual. These events or experiences are perceived as threats or challenges to the individuals and can be either physical or psychological. We can divide the stressors into four different categories. First one is crisis or catastrophes. Second one is major life events, and the third one is daily hassles, and the final one is ambient stresses. First one is crisis catastrophes. This type of stressor is unforeseen and unpredictable and is completely out of the control, such as major floods, earthquakes, war, etc. Through rare in occurrence, these type of stresses typically causes a great deal of stress in a person's life. Second one is major life events. It includes marriage, going to college, death of loved one, birth of a child, divorce, moving houses, etc. These events, either positive or negative, can create a sense of uncertainty and fear which will ultimately lead to stress. And the third one is daily hassles or micro stresses. These categories include daily annoyance and minor hassles. Examples: making decisions, meeting deadlines at work or school, traffic, etc. And the final one is ambient stresses. As their name implies, these are global low-grade stresses that are a part of background environment. They are the stresses that are chronic, negatively valued, and interactable to the efforts of individual to change them. Examples are pollution, noise, crowd, and traffic, etc. Our body has always been prepared to deal with stressful situations in particular ways. This coronavirus pandemic is a perfect trigger for stress as it both unpredictable and uncontrollable. This simply adds to the level of stress caused by the pandemic. So now, for better or worse, these times always pass. If we focus on what we can control and do things that are good for us and our health, and the health of those around us, we will come out of this. It is important to look towards the future and being built for that in future. You can always have hope. Hope never leaves us. Stay safe and make the time productive. Thank you.